how to disable Smart Invert on iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series and now you want to disable or turn off Smart Invert on your iPhone 12 to restore the color back to the original color, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. So on the settings page, scroll down, click on accessibility. Now once you selected accessibility, scroll down under vision and locate display and text size. Now under display and text size, scroll down, you should see the Smart Invert enabled. With Smart Invert, this reverses the color of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. So toggle this off, and once you toggle that off, you should see your iPhone color restore back to normal. Then you can now exit the page and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn off or how to disable Smart Invert on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.